What is up, YouTube? Today we're in the Subaru BRZ, our 2022, and Eric has just finished our exhaust for it. This is our catback system. So we have the GoPro hooked up on the back, and we're gonna go drive it, get some sound clips, and see what we got going on here. Cole did some donuts in the parking lot earlier, and it really, it sounds great. The first clip we had of us doing donuts in this car when we first got it, all you heard was a tire squeal. There was no sound coming from the exhaust at all, so it was pretty lackluster. But now we got all the exhaust sounds, and it sounds great. So all it has for an exhaust right now is the OTL header and then our OTL catback. And what it'll come with is the full catback system, so resonator and then the OTL muffler. And then we're also going to include in the kit, we're going to include the block off plate for the other side because it is a single X exhaust, so it's going to be obviously have that hole on one side. I drove down a bumpy road. And there's also two options, so there's a polished tip and then there's a burnt titanium tip or a burnt tip for the finishes. I think the car sounds great now. It gives this car like more life. Yeah, overall, I mean, this car is sick now. It's got the HKS kit, it's got SSR wheels. Yeah, and then it also has our OTL Super Suck kit on it and the aluminum red intake manifold with our rotated throttle body kit. I guess it's like an adapter kit. It rotates it barely. That makes it sound a lot different than it is, but we got our green arrow here. We'll get some downshifts in here too. God, it's so bumpy. There's some pops. I drove down the worst road possible. I think it sounds great though. I'm gonna roll the window down, it's getting kind of hot. Hopefully that sound picked up pretty good. It's like resonating off the curb right here. Oh yeah. All the pops and bang, that sounds great. I really hope my GoPro is still on there. I'm gonna be sad if it's not. Yeah, if you're looking for something to like really spruce up the way your car sounds, I mean, this is one of the best sounding FAs I've heard. Don't pull out in front of me. Second gear is huge in this car. It looks sporty, sounds sporty now, handles great. Yeah, I really like this thing. as of right now, I mean, by the time you guys are seeing this video, it should be out on the website, and it should be either available for pre-order or just available for purchase completely. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can see, or it'll take you directly to our website, and you guys can just check it out for yourselves. But yeah, I think it sounds amazing. We're gonna get some more sound clips for you guys outside of the car, and I'll put my mic on because I don't know how much you guys can quite hear.